So, today I'm going to show you how to unlock the spring and the ring. This is the puzzle. There is a spring with a ring attached inside. You cannot make this ring go up because this side is welded shut and this side is closed as well. So how do you get this ring out of the spring? Well, it's actually much easier than you think. Look at how I do it. You take the ring in your right hand and the spring in your left hand. You twist one time to the left, not much, and you feel a click. Then you can push the ring and it comes out. Magic? Not really. Putting the ring back, you put it over the spring like this, and you lock it back in place by turning it to the right. And again, the ring is locked inside the spring. It seems impossible to get it out, but it's not. Look, I'll do it again. Twist the ring to the left. Okay, and you push it out. Putting it back, you put it back anywhere inside the spring and you click it into place by turning one time to the right. Okay, final step. Show you one more time because this takes some time before you get to know these puzzles. Unlocking it, ring, counterclockwise, one turn, push it out, ring comes out. Put it back, put the ring over the spring, turn it clockwise, and it locks into place. There you have it, ring and spring puzzle. Hope you enjoyed it.